Today we're going to talk about using map templates using a already created base map, and I'm going to show you how to either create your own or modify an existing base map. So for starters, if you look at my ArcMap screen, you may see that it's set up a little bit differently than the default. I've customized it, so I'm going to show you how to change that. I'll go up here and I right click in the gray area away from a toolbar. I scroll down until I hit customize. Using the commands tab, I can then go into any of these commands and drag these buttons onto my different toolbars. For example, if you look up here, I've got the page and print setup next to my save and open icons. To do that, I went down here, found page and print setup, and I dragged it up there. For example, if I wanted to add a save as button, add it right there. Hang on, try that again. There you go. And then I can save as. I'm going to pull that out because I don't want it there, but now you see how you can customize your own map. So for starters, let's bring in some data. We're going to go to our SDE database, and we're holding down the control key. We select city and county. We'll go ahead and add those. Okay, to symbolize the city, we want to override ArcMap's default color scheme. Just click on that patch right there, and we'll make it tan, and we'll make the border brown, and we'll make the border thicker. So that's very quick and easy. To do the county, we can get a little bit more detailed. We go into the properties. Now we're going to have the same options. We'll make that hollow, but we can take control of the line template here. We're going to make it a county boundary because they've already did that for us. Hit OK and OK and OK, and there we go. Let's add some more data. Let's add our roads layer. Here it is. And you see we get all these multicolored road lines. But we don't want that. We've already got a layer file to do the work for us. We go to the symbology, we hit import. We browse, and we can find a layer file under the F drive, under templates, under layer files, and in roads. And we're going to choose the one called FM through I-35. So any road class that's greater than a farm to market road will be included. We add that. It tells us which field we're going to use to symbolize the roads, and there you go. So what we have is data on a map on a page, but we don't have a base map, we don't have a template yet. Some of the elements you're going to want to include on a base map are first and foremost a neat line. We're going to place it inside the margins because we're going to go ahead and take control of where that goes in a minute. If you're not in the layout view already, you'll need to be there. You can't do any of these elements until you're in the layout view. So we've added a neat line, and then the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up our guides, so that we know that everything is going to line up, everything's going to be justified.